and I'd like to take you through a weekly analysis of all the major currency pairs that we hold quite daily on know as FX waves. So those currency pairs are the Euro USD, GBP USD, the USD Yen, the Euro GBP, and the GBP Yen. So we can start off our analysis by looking at the Euro USD daily chart, and we know that over the last couple of months the currency pair has been quite range bound between a minor support level, which is the 1.09099 level, so there's a major resistance level there, which is the 1.14646 level. And over the last week we've seen price being very bearish, with the bears winning the fight over the bull so far. And should we see further downward movement, could mean that price would then actually test the 1.09099 level. And should there be further downward movement, should price the next couple of days actually close lower to that, we could even see it retesting our major support level there at 1.04600 level. Otherwise, price could essentially just bounce off that minor support level only to retest minor resistance level, which we've marked there, with the highest one being a 1.14646 level. If you look at the monthly chart, which gives you a better overview of price movement there, you can see that over the past couple of weeks there's been quite sideways movement in the currency pair, and with price still range bound between the two minor support and resistance level that I had just mentioned. So from our side, we trade with the direction of the major trend. The brilliant thing is that it's range bound, so where you're able to buy, do buy, where you're able to sell, do sell. If you look at the GBP USD chart, which is a second currency pair that we'll be analyzing in this video tutorial, is that also similarly the dollar has been appreciating in value, thus that bearish movement on the GBP USD price chart. And I've actually gotten on a trade, hence you can even see my entry as well as my exit points there. Sorry. And then yeah, so from our side we actually have that level denoted by the red dotted line as a minor support level, and I do believe that price will definitely hit it over the next week or so. Hence I've even put my take profit line over there, and it could even go to the extent that this level can be tested and even reach the 1.46736 support level. If you look at the monthly chart over there, as I said, let me just draw a bit of line so that you guys can see the major and minor resistance and support levels over there. Just want to make it a bit clear so that you guys can see some of the levels that we actually do work off from our side. So if you look at the 1.58162 level, has been retested on numerous occasions, and it has always held. So hence price kept on testing it only to retrace lower, tested only to retrace lower, and that's exactly what has happened over the last few days. So price is essentially looking for that one support level or number of support levels where you can bounce back to only go up high, and I've denoted a minor support level there for you guys, also giving you a view of how we essentially put together our support and resistance line. You essentially just look at your areas of major resistance or movement. Those are your key areas of how you can then determine your various level and support and resistance level. So as I said, I've put in my take profit here because I do believe that price may essentially hit that level, may even retest the 1.49780 minor resistance level. Should it even go down further, it may then hit that support level over there that I had also spoken of. And as I said, the monthly overview also gives you that range bound view, although the major momentum over the past couple of months from about January, February last year, it's been quite bearish because of the value in the dollar actually being able to hold itself against sterling. The next chart is essentially the USD yen. Same thing here. Although the dollar has been appreciating in value, the yen is taking, the fight to the dollar. Hence, you can see that downward movement over the past couple of days. There was a bit of retracement upward, retesting that minor resistance level there, the 121.451 level, only to see price going down low. It may even test the 118.099 level, and should it close lower, we could even see further downward movement to then retest the 115.500 level over there. Other than that, should price actually settle here, we could even see a bit of bullish movement, test a minor resistance level, and possibly further bullish movement can even be seen should the dollar actually start taking the fight back to the Japanese yen. But otherwise, so far the major trend is quite bearish. And then if you look at the monthly chart of the USD yen candlestick chart, it actually gives you a different picture. What it tells you is that from 2012 September around to date, there's been quite some bullish movement, quite a steep hill going up. So the dollar definitely has been appreciating against the yen. Can even see a double top formation over there. So hence, could mean a reverse in the movement. Hence, a reversal in the price movement, meaning that the bears could actually start taking the fight. But other than that, do go with the major trend. But from our side, the double top is a big one. Could essentially mean a major reversal in the trend could be seen over the next couple of days, or it could be that it's just a minor retracement for further movement upwards. So do keep close to it. The daily charts are not so clear, just tells you that price is range bound between the 118.099 level as well as the major resistance level, which is the 125.846 level, and your minor price movement levels are also in between those areas. So we always go in the direction of the major trend. So do keep close to your trades. If you look at the Euro GBP chart, on that side, looking at the daily chart as well, we had a support level denoted there as the 0.70546 level. Price jumped from that level on all the way to even jumping a minor resistance level at the 0.7200 level, to even reaching what we had denoted as a key resistance level at the 0.73781 level. So this level is quite important because it has hold back price on a number of equations. It's quite a major roadblock for the euro there. So we could even see the pound actually start taking the fight back to the euro at this point. You could even see it retracing a bit below to retesting our minor previous resistance level, which will now become a support level. That's the 0.7208 level there. Let's look at the monthly chart just to get a better view. Major movement has been quite bearish. The bears have been winning over the past couple of years, although the daily charts just tells you that over the last couple of weeks the fight has been won by the bulls, and it's essentially, let me just zoom in a bit closer there, it's essentially just due to that major candlestick over there. That's what drove price a bit higher up. Other than that, could be stopped at that level. We could even see further downwards movements if we do go in the direction of the major trend there. But otherwise, what the daily chart also tells you is that the range bound of price between key resistance and support levels over there. So the beautiful thing about a currency pair that's range bound is that for as long as it's within that range, you can buy and sell your respective currency pair. So just look out for any good price action technical signals, then do go in the direction which you believe price definitely will. From our side, we'll look at this range, we'll wait for that high probability trade setup, and we'll be on our way there. And our last currency for today is the GBP yen. And if you look at it also, the past couple of days on the daily charts, major movement on the downward side. So we've had price just blast over our minor support levels. It could be that it's even taken the fight to even retesting major support level there, which is sitting at the 175.509 level there. Easily broke 189.598 level, easily even broke through 185.066 support level there. So hence I'm saying the next key support level, major support level area will be the 175.500 level. So this has been quite powerful. To get a better sense, if you look at the monthly chart, what it tells you as well, over the last couple of years, 2-3 years or so, price has been quite bullish, although that could mean that it's just minor retracement or pullback to the 175.500 level for it to then continue its further bullish movement. So do keep close to your respective currency pairs. Do listen to those fundamental news that do heavily impact your technical analysis or your candlestick charts. So guys, this is the end of the video, taking you through a daily and weekly overview of the 5 major currency pairs that we highly interested in within Noah's FX waves. That's the Euro USD, the GBP USD, the USD Yen, the Euro GBP, as well as the GBP Yen. So please get on to our website, www.noahsfxwaves.com. We are currently revamping it, and we're somewhat changing the domain to be South African, so might even change over the next couple of days from a .com to a .coza. But otherwise, yeah, that's just us trying to localize the website a bit. And do go on to our Facebook page, search on Noah's FX Waves, you'll definitely hit the page. We've got USD ZAR posts on that page. Look at our analysis, look at some of the reports that we also give out to some of our members. So actually, if you even register on our website, You do get daily reports, you do get some videos, and you do get some analysis or some of the other charts that we actually don't form part of this video tutorial. All right, from me, that's it. Thank you guys. Happy trading. Bye.